Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the Make It Horizontal tool for MT4. This utility helps traders draw horizontal lines on charts for marking support and resistance levels, psychological price levels, or any significant price zones that require visual emphasis. In this video you'll see how the tool works and what features it offers. The Make It Horizontal tool enables traders to quickly and efficiently draw horizontal lines across the chart at specific price levels, providing clear visual markers for important zones. As you can see over here, these are the two lines, my line H for resistance and my line L for support. These horizontal lines serve multiple purposes, including marking historical support and resistance areas where price has repeatedly reacted, as I mentioned earlier, identifying psychological round number levels, and highlighting key breakout or breakdown zones. The tool simplifies the process of adding these critical reference points to charts, ensuring traders can maintain clean, organized visual analysis without cluttering the workspace with excessive manual drawings. Now if we go to its settings, we can change its name from my line L to support and my line H to resistance, and we can change its color. Let's go with green for support and red for resistance. Now if we increase this peep distance to 5,000 and change the line style for the resistance to 2, which is a dotted line, you will notice it has changed. But why they changed it, we see have these initial two lines, so let's just get rid of them by going to the object list, highlighting them and removing them manually. Now we have a clean chart with just the resistance level and the support level. This indicator is suitable for support resistance traders, breakout traders, price action analysts, and any trader needing clear visual reference points. Its strengths include simplified line drawing, clean visual organization, customizable appearance, and improved chart clarity. However, horizontal lines are static and don't adapt to changing market conditions, requiring manual adjustments. Its effectiveness depends on traders' ability to identify truly significant price levels, and over-reliance on the price or horizontal levels without considering broader context can lead to misinterpretation. You can download the Make It Horizontal tool for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how efficiently drawing horizontal lines helps maintain organized visual analysis of key price levels. If you like chart organization tools such as this horizontal level, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.